Welcome to our introduction guide to help you get started on the botario platform. Let's begin by showing you how to create a new bot. First, click the pink plus symbol or select a template on the platform landing page. And away you go. Start by giving your bot a name, which will remain displayed at the top of the screen throughout, as well as a short description. You can also assign a deployment stage by opening the Visual Tag drop-down menu. On the left of the screen, you'll find the platform menu. Let's take a closer look at some of the features available. From the dashboard section at the top of this menu, click on Analytics for an in-depth view of your chatbot's interactions, with data appearing here soon after a conversation begins. To review past conversations, simply click on History, and you'll see all previous chats displayed. From the Content section of the menu, click on Flow to open a flow editor, where you can build processes and logic that would guide the bot's responses during a conversation. Check out our how-to video guide that goes into the functionality in more detail. Click on Scripts to see how customizable our platform really is. Here, users can add, manage, and organize script files to tailor the functionalities to your requirements. You can increase the intelligence of your bot by adding documents using the Knowledge feature. Information from the uploaded documents or URLs can be used by your bot without any additional training. Vector Search enables you to see how your bot constructs its responses. Click on the Website tab and you'll go to this configuration page where you can chat with your bot, customize its widget design, installation options, and share your chatbot with other people. Moving down the menu into the Bot section, you can click on Settings to change the bot's name, description, and visual tag. If you want, you can also delete the bot here. Use versions for all your bot development. Here, you can create copies of your bot to work on new features and test updates. You can also keep different versions for development, staging, and production. Another benefit of the botario platform is that it's provider agnostic. You can add and configure provider settings with OpenAI, Microsoft Azure, and other leading service providers for chat and embedding models with customizable settings for each one. To add a new API key, go to the section of the same name. You'll need to set the name, expiration date, and suitable permissions here. Exploring other options available to you. To chat with your bot, you can either go to the Website tab on the menu, as mentioned earlier, or click on the pink Development Chat button in the top right corner. Use the Development Chat button option, and you will also see the triggered events displayed with the messages. Click on any event to see the corresponding code. Click the three-dot menu next to the Development Chat button to open the profile settings and user management options. Click Profile to view and edit your account information, assigned roles, enable two-factor authentication, and change your password. Click User Management to view existing users and their profile details, and to add new users. Giving you more control, you can assign specific roles from this list to your new users. We hope this brief overview has given you an understanding of the platform and how you can use it. Look out for our other how-to video guides that focus on specific features of the platform in a little more detail.